Well, hello. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be removing the headlights on a Porsche 911. Okay, so today I've been removing the wrap on the Porsche 911, and in order to get underneath the headlights where the wrap is, because that's what I did when I put it on, I will be showing you how to remove the headlights. So to remove the headlights, first of all, you're going to remove this tab. It just spins, I think, and goes into that. Sorry, this just spins. You can unscrew it. It comes out, goes into that. So if you lift this up here, you're going to have a toolkit right down here. And that's also where you have your wheel lock and your tow hitch in case you need to get to that. So these are your tools. You're going to open this up. And inside here, you're going to have one tool. This is your headlight removal tool. So that's what it looks like. It's going to go into a key inside there. And that's how you're going to end up releasing it. All right, so once you've removed that, you're going to find this rubber plug here. So you can remove that, and back in there should be something that you can, there's a hole that goes back there. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab this tool, put that tool in there, find that hole. Once that goes in there, you're gonna turn this until it engages in there. There you go. Okay, so it's in there. All right, so we have that. It's engaged. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this counterclockwise. Let's see. See, once you turn it counterclockwise, if you notice, the headlight comes loose. So we're turning this counterclockwise. Once it stops, you get resistance, you just stop. You don't want to break anything. And that headlight should pop right out. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pull this headlight out. There's no cords or anything. This comes out cleanly. So that's your headlight. So it makes a popping sound first time once it engages, and then once it gets to the end, and always towards the back of the car is where you turn it. So this one is clockwise, the other side is counterclockwise, and then this light can come out. All right, so the final step is going to be putting the headlights back in. There's a track here and a track here, and you have these little nubs that'll go into that track. Okay, so you get in the track. Once it hits, then you're gonna grab your tool. All right, so you're gonna put the tool back into the, where you were, what you used earlier, but now you're gonna pull it, turn it towards you. All right, so that today is going to be the video on how to remove a headlight on a Porsche 997. It's a pretty similar procedure, on most of these Porsches. I think the 996 is pretty much the same, but hopefully this will help you out. If for some reason you need to remove your headlight, swap them out or replace them. And it's pretty simple. You just have to make sure you have that tool. Otherwise, without that tool, I'm sure you can buy another tool, but it has to be, long in order to reach all the way where that nut is. So anyways, I hope this helped you out. If it does, go ahead, hit like, subscribe, leave me any comments, if you find an easier way to do things, or if this helped you out, just let me know. Thank you. You have a good one. Take care.